Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam. If you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel. So make sure you like, subscribe, and check my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. In today's video, we're going to none other than the Witch House in Beverly Hills, California. Now, in this area, you will see none other houses like this. This is just so insanely crazy. Straight out of a fairy tale, I would say. To me, this totally looks like Hansel and Gretel's house, even though it's not supposed to be. Totally gives me that vibe. But without any further ado, let's go to Beverly Hills and explore the witch's house. We are now going to the witch house, which is randomly located in Beverly Hills, California. Now, the thing about that is, it's just so unique to be located in the heart of Beverly Hills. Because I will tell you right now that this house is going to stand out more than any other house on the block. However, of course, the area of Beverly Hills, so beautiful. Love, love, love the streets. The grass truly is greener in Beverly Hills. I don't know why, but it's just so perfect and such a beautiful, family oriented neighborhood. I am right in front of the witch house. Now, this house is not technically a witch's house, but it is meant to look like one. Personally, I kind of feel like it's meant to look like Hansel's and Gretel's witch in a way, so that is so cute. But let me go ahead and take you to the one and only witch house in California. So I did park down the street, but when you do walk up here, look how gorgeous this corner is. Absolutely love it. Now, this is actually randomly located in Beverly Hills. So all of the cars that you do see are super nice. Actually right next to me over there, I think is a Bentley. So that's really cool. But oh my God, here is the witch house. How cool is this? Now, honestly, this is something that you really do not see every day. So I do think the fact that this does exist alone is so cool, and I love that. Now I'm gonna cross the street, but I'm gonna actually go ahead and show you guys over here because, the neighbor's house is so normal compared to, the witch house. So how fun is that? You know me, I love to just walk down the block because then you actually get to feel the area kind of if you're there yourself. Now, this house is amazing. I mean, look, they even have that. Little statues. Can you believe that? That actually reminds me of the Kappa house from Scream Queens. So I actually did go there. I do have an entire vlog about Scream Queens and the Kappa mansion. So I think it's awesome that the neighbors actually put skeletons by the actual house like that. So it's so cute. Look how funny that is. Now, it seems that everywhere I keep going in all my vlogs, it seems to be in the middle of an intersection. So that does kind of suck. But oh my God, wow, look how cute this is. Even right away, you see pumpkins, you see just all of this cute little witch stuff. It says no trespassing, so adorably cute. Let's see, anti-crime penology. Ah, look how cute. Totally love this one. Now, the bridge alone is just adorable. The bridge really is cool because it even looks like it has those cool little spikes, and it's just so cool to pass over. Now, you will notice that yes, the owner of the house is painting the bridge, keeping up on the upwork of the house, so you will be seeing him throughout the video. I love that. There's a rotted pumpkin. And oh my God, this is perfect. I love the fact that they have crows, and even the mailbox is very old fashioned and stuff. So adorable. In all honesty, I love this. This is honestly a movie come true, and I've always wanted to come here and actually see this. So, oh my God, that's so cool. I love it. Totally does feel like Hansel and Gretel, and absolutely amazing. Totally love, love, love. So, awesome right here, the very top. Look at the cute little chimney and stuff. So, how perfect is that? So festive, and in all honesty, I'd love to see it. And strolling on down, we can see the beautiful garden, and I really do love how they did all of the leaves because it's so fall and festive. However, in the tree, you can spot a witch in the middle of the tree. Now, it's so cute because she does have the Wizard of Oz slippers that she is wearing, and to be honest, this is kind of really creepy if you really look at it. Strolling down the block, though, again, you can see the neighborhood and just how different this house is to all of the other homes. But it's just such a beautiful neighborhood, like I said, and I love it here. Now we will be heading up to Pasadena, California, where we are going to the one and only classic horror movie, The Michael Myers House. Now, this is so great from the classic movie Halloween. I'm so excited to show you this vlog. This will be upcoming soon, so make sure you stay tuned. By the way, I have to say that the owner of the house is so kind and just so generous. Really, really a nice man. Now, I did have a conversation with him. I did turn off the camera, and I did talk to him, asked if it was okay that I filmed, and just kind of asked him a couple questions about the house. He actually loves it when people comes to see it. That's why he was out there painting it. He said he wants it to be the best that it can be. He likes the enjoyment that it brings people. There was even a Hollywood tour bus that did stop at the house. It's actually funny because it's the second filming location that I went to that I did see a tour bus while I was recording. The other one was the Menendez brothers' house, which I do have a video on. Very, very interesting video. But again, thank you so much for watching. I truly, truly do appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below what was your favorite part of this house, and just what do you think about this house in general. Again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and have a great day. Au revoir.